So, a while ago, I created an awesome story using AI, and I said I was going to make another video to show you how I did that. Now, if you're a content creator or just someone who would love to learn how to use AI to create awesome storytelling, then you'd like to stick around to the end of this video. Wait. What you're about to learn will give you the necessary skills to learn how to use AI to create adverts for products, create explainer video, or just awesome audio visual storytelling. So, if you're still interested, I'd like you to follow this channel. I use large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claudia, meta.ai to generate the storyline. Runway, Minimax, Hyper.ai, pika.art helped in generating the video scenes. Then I used NaturalReaders to generate the audio sounds. Now, NaturalReaders is a text-to-speech AI tool that helps you to convert your text into natural sounding voices. Now, because we're talking about artificial intelligence, we're going to be doing a lot of prompting. I'll be leaving a link on the description below to give you access to all the prompts that we're going to be using for this tutorial. That being said, let's get right into the video. Now, if you're here, you have to agree with me that for you to create a story, you have to have a story idea. Because of course, you can't just create a story out of the blue. So for you to get a story idea, or maybe you already have a story idea, then that's wonderful. But if you don't have a story idea already, you can ask AI to give you ideas for a story. We have to regulate it with particular niche, put it in a particular place or a canopy so that the AI could bring up ideas that are particulate to a particular scene. So you're going to understand what I mean. Now, looking at the first prompt, you'd see that, first of all, what we're telling the AI to act is to act as something. So the AI has to act as something. It could be a narrator, an advert expert, a professional, whatever. So depending on your own niche, you have to ask the AI to act as something. The next thing is to describe what or the kind of stories you would like the AI to generate. So it could be fairy tales, it could be educational stories, it could be sports related story. The topics are wild. You could go wild on that. So after getting the kind of story or rather after inputting the kind of story you like to generate, you have to put a little bit of some details depending on what you want, but this is optional. So after getting the details, you can also add the audience you'd like this story to be specified for, whether it's going to be for children, for mothers, for adults, for sportsmen, whatever. So when you're done specifying whom this video is for, then you're done. That's it. So you can try out your prompt on Meta.ai, Gemini, Claudia, or ChatGPT, and whatever platform that gives you the best prompt, then you could get that story idea. And once you've gotten the idea, then we're moving to the second prompt. Now, the second prompt, which is the creating a story chapter, has to it has to talk about developing the story for your story idea. So the idea that you just got from the first prompt, you have to develop the entire story. So what you will be asking the AI to do right now is to act as what it's going to act like, narrator and advert expert, and you're going to be telling it to develop a story based on some certain things. So if you look at the first part or the first paragraph of the second prompt, you'd see some of the promptings there. So once you've gotten the first so once you've imputed the first paragraph, then the next paragraph will be you imputing your idea. So your idea will be the idea you got from your first prompt. Once you have imputed the idea, you're good to go, send that in, and then allow the platform, depending on the platform you're in, to generate the entire storyline for you. Once you've gotten a story and you're cool with a particular story, then you're good to go to move in to the next chapter. Now, this chapter has to talk about the video scenes, getting the video scenes. Because, of course, once you've gotten your story, the entire story, next thing is to get the scenes, the actual video scenes for the story. Now, for you to get these video scenes using AI, you have to generate the prompt for these scenes. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of prompting, but it's going to be very easy after you're done with this particular part. So for the third prompt, you'll be asking the AI tool to act as an image generation tool, and you'll be asking it to generate video scenes for your storyline. Now, after inputting the first part or the first paragraph of this third prompt, specifying exactly the adjectives that are peculiar to your own story, then you could move on to the second paragraph of this prompt. Now, for the second paragraph, you have to extract all of the scenes from your story into this prompt. So the scenes that you want the AI to generate their video prompts, you have to extract all those scenes and put them in the second paragraph. After that, you put the next paragraph should carry the characters. Now the characters are based off of for consistency, so that when the video scenes are being generated, the text will be consistent based up on the characters. So you wouldn't have a fat king and a thin king. So if the king is fat, it's fat. If it's thin, it's thin for consistency. Now, once you're done imputing the characters into your prompt, finally you impute your entire scene, your entire story. Just copy the entire story and place underneath. And once you're done with that, you hit enter. All of this is done to give the AI an exceptional idea of what your story should be all about. So you can try out this prompt on these AI platforms. And once you've gotten the video prompt for these video scenes, all you need to do is to move down to the AI video gen tools to generate your video scenes. So I used pika.art, Minimax, Runway, and Hyper.ai to test out my video prompts to see the video gen tool that gives me the best output. So you can try out the different video gen tools to see the one that gives you the best output, so that you wouldn't have to settle for less or a warbly kind of image. So once you're done getting the video scenes that are peculiar to your particular scenes, the scenes that you want to output on your video, then you could move down to the audio for your sounds. Now, I've talked about natural readers in the beginning of this video. Natural readers is a text-to-speech AI tool that converts your text into natural sounding voices. Now, natural readers is so wonderful that I could literally create a dialogue between different AI voices. I'm going to show you how to do that. All I needed to do was to move down to naturalreaders.com. You create an account for free, sign in for free. And once you've signed in, it's going to bring you to the home interface. Now you could create a new project by clicking on the project menu right here, and you could just create another project. Now you could see my own dialogue. My dialogue was between Brian, Isaiah, and Bruce, where Brian is the narrator, Isaiah's voice acted as God, and Bruce as Elohim. These were my three characters. So all I needed to do is to create a project. So if I create a new project and I name it new project, now we're having an empty file. And for me to start creating files here, all I need to do is to add a voice. So I can add a text input. I'll name the file name Word to Life. And right here, I'm supposed to input some text. I'm going to say, hi, this is a new project. just some random text there. Now you can also customize the tone of your voice, and it's optional. So we're having some tones, fun and casual female, voice, or male voice for YouTube. So you could actually pick a custom voice depending on what you will be looking for. A deep male voice for ads. We go for a deep male voice for ads, then we say create. So right now we are seeing Bruce, and we're having hi, this is a new project. And once you play this, you could hear the output.
Hi, this is a new project.
So for you to create a dialogue, you could add a new text here. And then if you want to add a dialogue, you place in a text for your second dialogue. And we could say, really? So right now, we're going to click on voices. We're going to select Alex. So as you can see now, we're having Bruce and we're having Alex at the same time. So we could play all of this by just clicking on the play button right here, and it's going to play the entire audio sound. So for you to download the voice, you have to download audio. However, to export this, I'd like to warn you that it's a paid version. So you have to upgrade to a paid version to export it as an MP3 or a WAV file. So once you've gotten your video scenes, you've gotten your dialogues, your audio dialogues, all you need to do is to go to a video editing platform. It could be CapCut, UCut, uh, Adobe Premiere, whatever, and then begin to arrange each and every one to align to your specific niche. So you have to have a bit of some video editing skills to put all of this into place. I think by saying all of this, I have given you an idea. I think I've given you an idea on how to create an entire story, an advert video, an educational video. It could be literally anything, and you could create awesome dialogues with AI without stressing your voice, without doing anything. All you need to do is to impute the text, you know, just impute a bunch of text, and you're getting really nice results. So if you're a content creator, I hope this helped you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Your subscription helps us to keep making awesome videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've not checked out my other channel, Smiles Code, where I teach people how to code HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with their mobile device and every other thing, even on their desktop computers, you should definitely check that out. I hope to see you there. Check out this video, and I'll see you the next one. Bye bye.